everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure simulation and set up HMI in PLCnext Engineer. Let's get started. First, we start the program. We use PLCnext Engineer version 2026.01. Okay, in here, PLCnext Engineer 2026. Here is all the controller. We first choose its controllers AXCF1152. This controller, just use this controller simulation. This controller simulation is all the free. Okay, click. Now, this is PLCnext Engineer interface. First, we create a program. Go to the right side, programming. Go down. Go to local. Go to program. Okay. Double click main. You can see this. You should decide which program you want to use. This SD code, this LDFB, this just LD. Okay, we use LD. Double click. Then first we create a small program. Double here. This one we should make sure here. Then double click here is a call, okay? Then double here, we should otherwise stop button. Then go to here, we choose this insert new parallel, okay? That's it. First, with this one, call one, we should write down start, okay? In here you can see is variable. We should mark is confirm this variable. Okay, start. If you're not confirm, new variable is not appear. Okay, in here start is coming. Okay, in here stop. Okay, it's confirm. This one's light. Okay, confirm. This light. Okay, it's confirm. That's it. Then we use some variable. Okay, we choose add is function with add in here. Go to here, drag here. It's okay. Variable one. Variable one. We should confirm. If, for example, if not confirm, variable does not come here. Not come here, so have to confirm. Okay. This one is add one. This one is variable one. Variable one. That's it. Okay. Then go to variable. We should mark all HMI. Start, stop, light, variable. Okay. Then we first confirm project rebuild. Okay. Here, build success. That means it's good. No trouble this program. Then we can say go to the project, go to this controller, look, is AXF1152, okay? Right click, connect, and disconnect. First you connect. Oh, sorry. We here is not connected. Why? We use simulation, so we should go to the double click here, double click this controller. He can say cockpit. You can see it's TCP/IP. Now we use simulation. That's it. Okay. Then connect. The following certification is okay. Now in here, we should add username. Username, just use admin. Okay, admin is password. Just PLCnext, PLCnext, and admin always no letter. Okay, we just use every time use the same. If your first time, you just admin and no letter. It's PLCnext is password. Okay, that's it. Then go back. We write on the start project. Okay, it's built successful. Okay, look here, square, double click here. Now you can start this running program. Is error, okay? Click, is running, so we can start. Look here, is variable 1 increased, okay? Here, in here we can double is true, double click is true. Oh, sorry. In here is the stop, we should be normal close, okay? We use this one. Okay, normal close. Now we start again. Okay. You see it's true and false. It's always truth. You double click truth. It's running. Look. Light is on. Okay. We can false and stop. You choose. Oh, sorry. We should double click true. Okay. Is still return to normal. Okay, that's it. So now we stop programming running. Then we start HMI. Okay. Then go to HMI web service. Go to here. Go to application, right click, add a new page. Okay. Okay, it doesn't matter. Then we close here. We go back to HMI, right? Then go to object. Then go to button. To button, okay. Copy. Paste, okay. To button is one light. Go to the clips. Okay. Then is test. Okay, that's it. First button, start. Second button, stop. Okay, that's it. First button is start. You go to this button is property. Go to dynamic. Go to new dynamic. Go to action. Go to action on price. Okay. In here action we choose toggle. Okay. Then variable. In here we choose maintenance. Okay. Maintenance. For the maintenance is start. You can see start. Okay. That's it. Now we stop. Yeah, it's don't stop. Then still go to dynamic. Go to new dynamic. Action. Action on price. Then go to toggle. Value. Go to maintenance. Is follow the maintenance. Start. Stop. That's it. It's light. Still go to dynamic. We go to color to fill. Okay. Go to here. We're still looking for maintenance. Okay. Yes, maintenance. That is light. That's it. Here is text. Still go to the test dynamic. Go to the test. Is a text. Okay, here. Okay, in here we show the color. First color is fall. Is green. Okay. Green. Second color is red. Is choose red. Okay, that's it. Then in here text. We're still looking for maintenance. That is a variable. Okay, that's it. Then save. Simulation. Okay. Now we start the program. We start the program. Okay. Right on the project. Oh, sorry. Here, we should first, this one page HMI, we should set up, start up, okay? Now we start. Okay. Then we should go to now here, or go to here. Program, okay? Go to cockpit. You can see here, launch default pros to display your HMI, okay? Double click here. Hit displayed in the pros, okay? Yeah, here you just use and password. Administrator, admin, password. Okay, sorry. Administrate password PLCnext next. Okay, this login. Okay, it's running. Okay, we start. Look, it's running. We can stop. We can see in here. Start. We can start. Look. Start running. Okay. Look. Here's running. This one. Okay. Stop. Today I'll just show you how to set up simulation and HMI in PLCnext Engineer. Okay. It's keyword just use simulation 1152. It's all the free. It's 2152, 3152. It's all the you have to buy license. Okay. Here this HMI just built in this PLC program. Thank you very much.